Good afternoon, guys, and after a long weekend that ended with me sitting 4 rows back at last night's Brooklyn Nets game, which was a loss, as always, to the Utah Jazz this time, and after getting modernwallstreet.com hacked this morning, that's right, it was hacked this morning from a server in Turkey. Thank you, Istanbul. Well, I can finally kick back and relax and enjoy my day. And you know why. 'Cause it's been a manic Monday, but it's after 4 o'clock, the markets are closed. I definitely need a drink. I definitely need it so bad I can barely say it. So cheers, guys. It's a much needed happy hour here in New York City. U.S. stocks trading higher to start the week this Monday afternoon as investors reevaluated the impact of Friday's strong jobs report on the timing of a Federal Reserve interest rate hike. Now, with no major economic reports out today, investors are still focused on Friday, as investors now see a June rate rise as being more likely after February's non-farm jobs report showed a gain of 295,000, beating expectations, but still down from the previous month. But the big story of the day was Apple, as during its first event of this year, Apple announcing that its entry model watch starts at $349 and it will begin shipping on April 24th. The iPhone maker's stock trading just under $124 a share. Immediately following the event, the stock then fell as much as 1% near $125 a share after rising as high as 2.4% during the event itself. The stock touching a record price of $133.60 a share last month. And the watch, very important to me, it has a life of 18 hours for the battery. So you're going to have to keep charging that watch, guys. You team that with a strong U.S. dollar, crude oil prices continuing to jump, and gold rising yet again to start the week. Decliners, they were just ahead of the advancers over at the New York Stock Exchange this afternoon. Let's now take a look to see how the markets have closed out this very hectic trading session. And on the corporate front, Time Warner spiking 1% on news that Apple, once again, will partner with HBO for a video streaming service called HBO Now. General Motors buying back $5 billion in stock and will commit to returning any cash above $20 billion in the future to shareholders, while activist investor Harry Wilson agreeing to drop his bid to join the GM board following that announcement. Alcoa, meanwhile, buying metals producer RTI International Metals and a $1.5 billion stock transaction. So there you have it. Kick back, relax, grab yourself a drink, and hopefully I will have a better tomorrow. And hopefully the stocks will continue to do well, right? Exactly. So for modernwallstreet.com, until tomorrow morning, I'm James Sweeney.